Welcome back. So the next thing we are going to do now, let's close this extension here. So what we are going to do now is to set up the live server so that we will stop going to our browser to refresh all the time whenever we make changes on our coding. So let's do that now. Now we have already installed our PHP IntelliSense live server, PHP live server or PHP server, and also live server for web, which is web live server. So we have installed this. So the purpose of installing this is to ensure that we don't add refresh our browser in order for our changes in our code editor to get reflected on our browser. So without further ado, so let's implement this so that our browser will be reloading itself without reloading it. So let's get started. Let's set it up. So look at the extension here which we install, which is the live web live server. We click at it, you see live server web extension. So excuse me, this is the extension. We click at it. So when we click at it, you will see actual server address and live server address. For us to do this, we have to come to our code editor. So you will see at the top of the taskbar, on top of the timing and the date, you will see go live. So you click go live. So when we click at go live, you will see an address we display in our go live. You can see we have the local host and we also have the another address here. So to do that, let's go to our live extension address first. So let's go to our PHP. So let's copy it, copy this, go to the live server address. So this is as our actual server address, paste, then we apply. Then when we apply, then we move to the next one, which is our local host here. So you click, you save changes. So when you click save changes, you see change service detected. So what will happen again? So this is the server address. So click at this now. You can see the address here. Let's copy it. Copy. So let's come to this extension. You can see. So let's type http :// then we now say local host / paste. So okay, let's remove the local host. Sorry for that. So this is it. We have pasted it. So you can see the way it is here. That is what we do here. Then we apply. Then let's get rid of this. So let's get rid of the second line, which is I'm learning PHP to design a blog. So let's delete it and save changes and see if this will get reflected on our browser without refreshing it. So let's save changes. So we have saved the changes now. You see that it doesn't reflect automatic on our browser. So what do we do? So let's get rid of everything. So let's refresh this refresh our local host. So we have add code it. So I'd refresh it. So let's save changes here so that will disappear. So now you can see that immediately we save changes, something happened. So now let's create our PHP tag, we declare it, and we close the declaration. Then let's echo and see if it's working. Echo welcome to welcome to the world of PHP. Then let's add our break, semicolon, save changes. You can see it display automatic. So let's echo again. I am learning PHP to design a blog, semicolon, save changes. You can see it's working. So that is how to set up your browser by implementing those extensions so that it will be reloading the browser automatic without you add reloading the browser yourself. So see you in our subsequent lecture. See you there.